Apps that pay you for watching ads don't actually share advertising revenue equally. Most of the money comes from small portions of ad budgets, and payouts depend heavily on how long you stay active inside the app. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of apps that pay cash for watching ads, how the payment system actually works behind the scenes, and why some users earn consistently while others barely cash out. Start with how ad-watching apps make money. Companies pay these apps to show ads, and the apps keep most of that revenue. Users get a small share in exchange for attention, clicks, or completed ad views. That's why payouts are usually small per task but add up over time. So earnings depend on volume, not individual ads. First category is short video ad reward apps. These apps pay you for watching short promotional videos. Each view adds small credits, and earnings depend on how many ads are available each day. Second category is lock screen ad apps. These apps show ads on your lock screen and reward you for simply unlocking your phone. The earning is passive, but consistency depends on how often ads are delivered. Third category is task-based ad platforms. These apps combine ads with small actions like tapping, confirming views, or interacting with content. Ads are still the main funding source, but engagement increases payout potential slightly. Fourth category is game with ads reward apps. These apps include simple games where ads appear between levels or rounds. Users earn by combining gameplay time with ad views in between sessions. Fifth category is reward browsers, or discovery apps. These apps pay users for browsing sponsored content or clicking promoted links. Earnings depend on how many ads are embedded into the content feed. Now, here's what actually decides whether ad-watching apps feel worth it. Ad availability is the biggest factor. If there are fewer advertisers, earnings slow down immediately. Time versus payout ratio matters more than anything else. Some apps require long viewing time for very small rewards, which affects efficiency. And withdrawal thresholds matter as well. Even if you earn steadily, reaching payout limits can take longer than expected if earnings are spread too thin. So ad-watching apps work best when treated as passive background earning, not as a primary income source. Summary: apps that pay for watching ads rely on advertiser budgets and pay small amounts per view. Earnings depend on ad availability, time efficiency, and payout limits. Consistency matters more than individual ads. Next step: try one ad reward app and track how much time you spend per small payout to see if it fits your usage style. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.